Welcome to the Teachers Tech Lab. On this channel, we provide you with the content, knowledge and skills on how to effectively and efficiently integrate technology into teaching and learning. In today's video, we are going to look at what is TPACK, the domains of TPACK, importance of tech skills as a 21st century teacher and tech skills for 21st century teachers. What is TPACK? TPACK is a technology integration framework that identifies 3 types of knowledge instructors need to combine for successful EdTech integration. Technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge are the 3 domains of the TPACK model. The TPACK framework was introduced by Punya Mishra and Matthew J. Kohler of the Michigan State University in 2006. Now let's basically look at the TPACK model as a 3 set. Where in the 3 sets, the first set is the technological knowledge, the second set is the pedagogical knowledge, and the third set is the content knowledge. An intersection of the technological knowledge and the pedagogical knowledge only gives you the TPK. An intersection of the technological knowledge and the content knowledge only gives you the TCK, and an intersection of the pedagogical knowledge and the content knowledge only gives you the PCK. Now, the PCK has been the focus of the traditional system of teaching or the traditional way of teaching and learning, when the focus is only on the pedagogy and the content. But in the modern models like the TPACK model, it seeks to integrate the 3. So the technological knowledge, the pedagogical knowledge, and the content knowledge are integrated in an intersection. It gives you the TPACK. Now let's look at the domains of the TPACK model. We have the technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and the content knowledge. Now the technological knowledge has to do with what digital tools and skills are available for appropriate teaching and learning. The pedagogical knowledge has to do with how do your students learn best and what instructional strategies do you need. The content knowledge has to do with or ask the question, what are you teaching and what is your own knowledge of the subject? For instance, if I am teaching the digestive system of humans, the content in here is to make sure learners comprehend or understand how the digestive system of humans work. Now, the pedagogy has to do with how best your students learn. Do they learn by seeing, by being in small groups, or even by doing? Then the technological knowledge has to do with what technology are you going to use to simulate this environment to make sure your learners comprehend or understand the content? Are you going to use digital multimedia such as video, animation, and so on? This forms the part of the technological knowledge. Now, over the years, teachers have been equipped with the pedagogical knowledge and the content knowledge, but have little or no idea of the technological knowledge and how to integrate it with the pedagogical knowledge and the content knowledge. Why are tech skills very important for teachers? E-learning. Learning management systems such as Google Classroom, Moodle, MS Teams, etc., and other e-learning tools available now help teachers to facilitate teaching and learning more effectively, especially in these times of crisis. And especially in these times where blended education is more encouraged, it is very important that 21st century teachers equip themselves with knowledge and skills that enable them to handle e-learning more effectively and efficiently. Instructional design. A lot of teachers are now transitioning into instructional design or instructional designers, because instructional design is actually the order of 21st of the 21st century education. Design. Instructional design combines technologies such as art and graphics to tailor learning to be more suitable to the learner. And to do this, 21st century teachers need to equip themselves with instructional design skills in order to fit into the 21st century classroom. Using multimedia in teaching. Education is more effective if we can use multimedia to stimulate learning environments. Multimedia such as animation, videos, pictures, and so on help teachers to actually enhance that understanding of their learners. And as a 21st century teacher, to equip yourself with such skills, you will be able to teach more effectively and efficiently. The 21st century classroom. Teaching and learning have shifted from the chalk and talk classroom to one where technology is used to explore various learning fields. It is very important for teachers of the 21st century to equip themselves with all technological skills that helps them to explore the teaching and learning environment, and also helps them to help their students learn better and construct knowledge on their own. Some tech skills every 21st century teacher must acquire. MS Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite is one of the most recommended office suites out there. And in education, Microsoft Office Suite provides a lot of technology that helps teachers to actually make teaching and learning more interactive and effective. As a 21st century teacher, you should be conversant with Microsoft Office Suite tools such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and so on. With this, you'll be able to organize your instructions effectively and efficiently in order to facilitate teaching and learning. Instructional design. Instructional design is very important, and therefore 21st century teachers should be able to equip themselves with graphic design skills such as Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and other instructional design tools. This helps them to actually design instructions and incorporate that skill of technology effectively into teaching and learning. 3. Database management skills. A 21st century teacher is going to handle a lot of data and therefore need to equip him or herself with enough database management skills. At least a 21st century teacher should be able to operate and understand Microsoft Access. Should be able to use Microsoft Access to manipulate data and analyze data in order to provide sufficient feedback to their students. E-learning and LMS. A 21st century teacher should be conversant and should be able to use e-learning tools and learning management systems such as Google Classroom, Moodle, MS Teams, and conferencing platforms such as Zoom, and so on. All these skills, if acquired by a 21st century teacher, will help such a teacher to integrate technology more effectively into teaching and learning. And that is what this channel is dedicated to doing. You can look in the description below, and we have a list of contents that we are going to be producing on this channel.